Welcome, everyone. If you're interested in the future of AI, this is the place to be, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates on the absolute cutting edge of AI. We are going to be talking about this year's GTC from NVIDIA's dubbed the Super Bowl of AI, and for good reason. This is where we get a glimpse into the future of AI, and wow, this year the future is looking incredibly powerful. The entire landscape of computing is being reshaped, especially with the rise of generative AI, and also this emergence of what we're now calling agented AI, where AI systems can think for themselves, make decisions, and this means there's this massive demand for computing power, way more than anyone really anticipated even just a year ago. Just to give you an idea of scale here, the biggest cloud service providers in the world, like Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Oracle Cloud, all of them combined, have already purchased a staggering 3.6 million Blackwell GPUs. Again, put that in perspective. Only 1.3 million Hopper GPUs were purchased last year, and Blackwell only started shipping way last year, so that is a significant job, wouldn't you say? This points to a massive data center build-out that's predicted to reach $1 trillion by the end of the decade, maybe even sooner. That's a huge investment, but it really shows the potential that everyone sees in AI. And AI is not just limited to one specific sector, it's making its way into every field of science. NVIDIA's CUDA software, which is really the powerhouse behind this whole AI revolution, is rapidly expanding into areas like quantum computing, physics, 5G, and 6G networks, gene sequencing, and even computational lithography. And they're also developing specialized libraries like the new CUDA library specifically for computer-aided engineering. So it really highlights how NVIDIA is focusing on these real-world applications and bringing the power of what's called accelerated compute into all sorts of different industries. And key players in these fields like Ansys and Cadence Design Systems are already partnering with NVIDIA, which shows just how widely adopted CUDA is becoming. Speaking of partnerships, NVIDIA is teaming up with some really big names out there. They're working with Cisco T-Mobile and Cerberus ODC to build full-stack radio networks in the US, which is a huge step towards advancing our infrastructure. And they've also partnered with General Motors to develop their self-driving car fleet. So this shows that NVIDIA's technology is really moving beyond just theory and into reality, and it's going to have a major impact on our daily lives. NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell GPUs are in full production, and they've also introduced this thing called NVIDIA Dynamo, which is essentially the operating system for an AI factory. It's designed to boost the performance of both Blackwell and Hopper GPUs, especially when it comes to processing information, which is known as inference in the AI world. Now, looking ahead, NVIDIA has already unveiled the next generations of GPUs. Blackwell Ultra is set to release in the second half of 2025 with increased memory and double the bandwidth of the current Blackwell. Then there's Rubin, which is expected in the second half of 2026, featuring the advanced HBM4 memory technology. Following closely behind is Rubin Ultra, which is scheduled to release in the second half of 2027. Rubin is designed to make this incredible power much more affordable. And they're not stopping there. NVIDIA is already working on the third generation codename Feynman, which is expected to arrive sometime in 2028. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with these GPUs. Now, NVIDIA is also shaking things up in the world of networking and data centers. They've got the Spectrum X supercharged Ethernet switch, and they're also venturing into co-packaged optics with Quantum X, which is their silicon photonics offering. These advancements aim to make data transfer faster, more efficient, and more powerful. Quantum X is set to launch in the second half of 2025, and Spectrum X will follow a year later in 2026. And for all the data scientists and researchers out there, NVIDIA is launching DGX Spark and DGX Station. These are designed specifically for your needs, and they'll be available from all the major PC manufacturers. This will make these powerful tools accessible to a wider audience. But here's a development that could completely change the game. NVIDIA is partnering with the storage industry to bring AI directly to data storage. So your storage systems are about to get a lot smarter. And to further democratize AI, NVIDIA has unveiled its Llama-Nematron reasoning model. This AI model can be run by any company anywhere they want, so imagine the possibilities there. So we're back with more from NVIDIA's GTC event. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the rest of this incredible journey into the future of the AI. Imagine storage systems that can actually think and learn, making data management faster and smarter than ever before. That's the future NVIDIA is building by bringing AI directly to data storage. But it's not just about data. NVIDIA is also making some major strides in robotics. They've unveiled Groot N1, their open source model for robots. This means that anyone can actually build upon this model, speeding up the development of all these new and innovative robots. And the future of robotics is looking pretty bright, actually. It could become the largest industry of all. Think about it. Robots powered by advanced AI could be everywhere, transforming industries, changing the way we live and work. One really cool example of this rapid progress is a collaboration between Google's DeepMind Disney research and NVIDIA. They've created something called Newton, and they showcase a robot named Blue that really demonstrates the potential of this collaboration. All of this plays to a future where AI is deeply integrated into every aspect of our lives, and NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with every new announcement. And that brings us to the end of part 2. We've covered a lot of ground, but there's still more to come. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll wrap things up and explore the bigger picture of what all these advancements mean for the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting deep dives into the world of cutting-edge technology. So we've journeyed through a lot of information from NVIDIA's GTC event, from the incredible growth of AI and the demand for computing power, to the latest advancements in GPU software and partnerships. NVIDIA is undoubtedly a leader in this AI revolution. It's clear that this innovation is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. What we're seeing is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and the world around us. AI is becoming more integrated into our lives, from the way we work and communicate to how we travel and even receive healthcare. The progress in robotics, driven by companies like NVIDIA and collaborations with giants like Google and Disney, is particularly exciting. You have the potential for robots with sophisticated AI to change industries and tackle some of humanity's greatest challenges is immense. We've covered a lot of ground in this episode, from the explosion of AI and its impact on computing to the specific advancements in hardware and software and the strategic partnerships shaping the future of technology. NVIDIA is not just keeping up with the AI revolution, they're driving it, and it's clear that the pace of innovation is only going to increase from here. The future is brimming with possibilities, and AI is at the heart of it all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of NVIDIA's GTC event. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the technologies shaping our future. Until next time, stay true and keep exploring.